I want to introduce you to Nessus, which is a port scanner and vulnerability scanner. We will look at how to install Nessus on Kali Linux, and we'll also look at how we can use it to find ports and find vulnerabilities. In this video, I'll show you how we can go and browse to the Nessus website. So just to give you an idea, the whole idea behind Nessus is it is an information gathering tool. In the hacking world, we use terms like dumpster diving, social engineering. It's basically information gathering to figure out where we should focus our energy when we know the vulnerabilities. Once you understand where the vulnerabilities are, we can then exploit those. And Nessus allows you to find those just by running a tool from your PC. So in this video, I want to go and open a browser and then go to the Nessus website and show you how you can actually install Nessus, which version to download, and how to actually go about installing it. So firstly, we want to open up our browser, and once we have the browser window, we'll then go and find the Nessus tool. Before we go on to install Nessus, I just want to explain dumpster diving a little bit. It's like someone going through the trash from a business to find names, find email addresses, find things that would be useful to gain access to that business. So this Nessus allows us to do that via an online means. Let's go and open a browser, and we will then find the Nessus website. So let me type in Nessus here, and we will then be shown some website links. I'll scroll down and find the website from Tenable. We go to the Tenable website, and we'll see that Nessus is a vulnerability scanner and involved in network security. There are a few versions of Nessus. There's a free version and a paid version. We will be using the free version in this exercise, so most people can get a feel for how Nessus actually works. So I click on products, I scroll down, and there's a link to Nessus. I click on that. We have Nessus for the cloud. In this case, we're going to use the desktop tool, which we will be using to install on Kali Linux. So let me just scroll down to find where that link is, and you'll have to do the same thing. Where you see it says try Nessus, get a free trial for your organization. I will click on this link, and it will take me to the page where I will then be able to evaluate Nessus. Here we have Nessus Manager and Nessus Cloud. I will click on Nessus Manager. So both versions are available, but in our case, because we want to install it on Kali Linux, we want to go with the Nessus Manager product. So it's easy to install, and everything is handled by Kali Linux on our machine. So here we have the option of evaluating Nessus. I will skip this part where we've got to put our first name, company name, and things like that. But when you want to register your interest in the Nessus product, you would have to fill in this information and then get an evaluation copy. I'll skip the registration process for now, but in the next video, you'll see how we have Nessus and how we can then install it on our Kali Linux machine.